Remember, even after the 2-year period of incontestability, as long as a health policy is enforced, they're not going to deny a claim if they find out somebody lied about their age on the application. It just allows for the adjustment of benefits. And then the illegal occupation or the intoxicants and narcotics provisions just gives them reasons not to have to pay a claim. Now, for a couple of riders, we have a guaranteed insurability rider. Could be added to a long-term care policy or a disability policy, but it guarantees you can add more coverage at future dates without proof of insurability. If you add coverage at a future date, the cost of that coverage would be based on your attained age. How old are you that day? Next, we have an exclusion or impairment rider, which would take away coverage for pre-existing conditions. Now, on your test, if you have a question about a rider that takes away coverage, please pick impairment as the name of the rider. It is not called an exclusion rider, it is called an impairment rider because it excludes something from coverage. Now, this is one rider that there is no charge for. Okay, so they're not going to charge you to put this rider on your policy. It is free of charge. And then some exclusions and limitations. First, some limitations. Maternity may be optional. Mental and emotional disorders or substance abuse are all just limited on their coverage. And exclusions, active duty, military, acts of war, self-inflicted injuries, dental, cosmetic surgery. Now, cosmetic could be covered if it's because of an accident. Care in government facilities like VA hospital treatment, or foreign residence or travel is going to be excluded. Do you want to be, remember, if you want to be covered, if you travel overseas or reside overseas, you have to have a travel accident policy. Here's the most important part of your chapter. These are your rights of renewability or continuation provisions. What these do is they spell out the insurer's duty when it comes to renewing a policy. What you're going to find out is, do they have to renew you and can they raise your rates? Also,